Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up application for your earbuds Sony on your Android device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search. Sorry, and you should install this application. Select your region and then click at this check mark. Then start, next, agree, agree, agree and start using. Allow, ask app not to track, but you can also allow it, I just don't need it. And then click allow right here. Next, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!